When I feel bored I want to prank the United States. Wait, I know what to do. I will fake an ease alert. Alright, time to do this. Alright, let's do this in 3, 2, 1.
We have interrupted our programming for an alert. Please stand by. It has been reported that China, Russia and North Korea have launched nukes on the United States. This is not a drill. Please evacuate to your nearest bunker.
Oh no.
Boris, you heard it too?
Yes, I did hear it on TV.
It's been a while and I don't think I heard any explosions yet at all.
Should I go check, Mom?
No, I think the explosions were too silent to hear, but let's see the news first.
We have some breaking news. It has been reported that there was no nuclear explosion reported yet. But someone faked it. It was classic Caillou Anderson. If you see him, report him to the authorities as soon as possible. This is Gonamat News signing off.
Classic Caillou, get here right now.
Oh crap, it's Mom.
Care to explain why I'm here? You were arrested for 50 years.
And you are grounded for 245 billion.
No, please.
Too late, Classic Caillou.